This is AIX, your daily dose of AI news.
You are probably overpaying for AI by up to 90%. If you're building AI tools, deploying chatbots, or just tired of waiting for language models to process massive documents, there is a quiet revolution happening right now. It's called prompt caching, and it is the ultimate cheat code for making your AI insanely fast and ridiculously cheap. To understand why this is a massive game changer, you have to understand a fundamental flaw in how LLMs work. They have the memory of a goldfish. Let's say you feed an AI a 100-page PDF and ask it a question. The AI reads all 100 pages, crunches the data, and gives you an answer. But what happens when you ask a second question? The AI forgets everything. It has to reread all 100 pages from scratch before answering that second question. You pay for those input tokens every single time. When you're trying to scale an application or manage a high-volume workflow, those redundant API costs will quietly eat your margins alive. Enter prompt caching. Instead of throwing away all that heavy computational lifting, the AI provider temporarily saves the underlying math of your prompt in a high-speed cache. Think of it like taking an open book test. Without caching, the AI has to go to the library, find the book, and read the entire chapter from page 1 for every single question. With caching, the AI just keeps the book open on the desk. If you start your next prompt with the exact same prefix, the same heavy system instructions, the same core data, the system instantly recognizes it. It skips the reading phase entirely and jumps straight to generating your answer. The real-world impact? We're talking latency reductions of up to 85%. That awkward pause before the AI starts typing drops to practically zero. And the cost? Major providers are discounting cached input tokens by 50% to 90%. If you are developing a coding assistant, running a complex content strategy matrix, or building the next big SaaS app, prompt caching is the difference between a clunky prototype and a highly profitable, scalable product. It's not just a neat feature, it's a complete shift in AI architecture. The AI landscape is shifting every single week, and the ones who understand the mechanics behind the scenes are the ones who win. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and build better, faster AI, hit that button. Subscribe to AIX.